Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the FoldAway-5 from Malone. The FoldAway-5 comes fully assembled, ready to go right out of the box. It can be configured to carry one kayak in the J-Cradle position or two kayaks in the stacker position. If you fold the cradle itself out of the way, it can transport both stand-up paddleboards and surfboards. It can also be used to carry a canoe if you space the carriers out in a flat position like gunwale brackets. This product will fit most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and when not in use can be folded down as the name suggests for less wind resistance. Installation is simple. Place the carrier on your crossbar, place the clamps under the bar, and tighten the wing nuts until the carrier can no longer slide on your crossbar freely. To tie down your kayak once you have it loaded in the cradles, grab the supplied buckle straps and thread it through the strap bail on the cradle. Then drape both ends over the other side of the boat. Route the strap down through the loop in the cradle, under your crossbar, then through the buckle pad and up through the bottom of the buckle. Pull it tight to cinch the strap. Repeat the same process for the strap on the other cradle. Tie up any loose ends, and don't forget to always tie down your kayak bow and stern as well. To turn the J-Cradle into a stacker, install the second kayak seat on the other side and adjust the cradle to the vertical position. You can now carry two kayaks, and two sets of tie-down straps are included for that purpose. Setup of the FoldAway-5 to carry stand-up paddleboards and surfboards is easy. Simply release the levers on each side of the cradle, fold it out of the way, and close the levers once again. Then place the foam pads on each cradle and you're good to go. Thank you for checking out our video on the Malone FoldAway-5. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.